How to see your saved passwords on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can see our saved passwords on Android device. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to look up to the saved passwords on your Android device, since we use Google account in each and everything while creating something, so your passwords basically get saved up to the Google account. So in order to look up to those passwords, you're just going to head over to the main settings of your device and look up for the options called Google under your settings. Just tap on Google, and when you go to your Google account, you'll be finding the Google account here. So you're just going to head over to the Google account, for example this one right here, or you can find this password manager directly under Google services. Just tap on continue. After that, when you go there, you can find all of the links like where you have used password. For example, my ubisoft.com. So I'm just going to go and click Ubisoft. After that, you need to enter your screen log of your device. And then after you have successfully logged in your Ubisoft account password, here you'll be able to find I section. Beside the password, if you click on it, you'll be able to see the password that you've used in order to create a Ubisoft account. So that's how you basically look up for your password, saved passwords onto your device. Basically, you need to save up your password in your Google account in order to see it from your device. So that's how you basically do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.